Ever wondered how DNS analysis tools are used in ethical hacking? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. DNS, or Domain Name System, is a fundamental pillar of the Internet. It translates human-readable domain names into machine-readable IP addresses. But in the realm of ethical hacking, it serves a far more intriguing purpose. DNS analysis is a technique used to gather valuable information about a target system or network. Ethical hackers or white hat hackers use DNS analysis tools to unveil a wealth of details like the IP addresses associated with a domain, mail servers, and even subdomains. This information is crucial in understanding the structure and vulnerabilities of a system, paving the way for robust cybersecurity measures. These tools are not just about offense, but form part of a strong defense strategy too. They help organizations fortify their networks against potential cyber threats. Now that you have a basic understanding of DNS analysis, let's dive into how to use these tools in ethical hacking. Scene script. Ready to get hands-on with DNS analysis tools? You've come to the right place. First, let's talk about setting up. Unlike some other cybersecurity tools, DNS analysis tools are relatively straightforward to set up. Many of them are web-based, meaning you only need a good internet connection and a standard web browser. Once you've chosen your tool, simply navigate to its website and sign up for an account if required. Next, we'll discuss how to input the target data. This usually involves entering the domain you're interested in examining into the tool's search bar. Be sure to spell the domain correctly to ensure the most accurate results. Once you've entered the domain, simply hit the Analyze or Search button to start the analysis. While your analysis is running, it's a good time to grab a cup of tea or perhaps brush up on your cybersecurity knowledge. The process can take a few moments. Patience, my friend, is indeed a virtue. Now comes the exciting part, interpreting the results. This is where your detective skills really come into play. The tool will provide you with a wealth of information about your target domain, including its IP address, server location, and much more. But what does it all mean? Well, the IP address can tell you the exact location of the server hosting the domain. This can be useful in identifying where a cyber attack may be originating from. The server location, on the other hand, might reveal whether the domain is using a VPN to mask its true location, a common tactic among cybercriminals. The tool might also provide information about the domain's DNS records. These records can give you insight into the domain's history, such as when it was created and who owns it. This information can be invaluable in an investigation. And that's a wrap on how to use DNS analysis tools. But remember, practice makes perfect. So why not grab your detective hat and start exploring the fascinating world of DNS analysis? You never know what secrets you might uncover. Let's recap what we've learned today about DNS analysis tools in ethical hacking. We've delved into the depth of these powerful tools, revealing their significance in the realm of ethical hacking. These tools are the magnifying glass that ethical hackers use to scrutinize the intricate world of the domain name system, or DNS. We've explored how these tools provide us with valuable insights into the DNS, the very backbone of the Internet. They allow us to delve into the complexities of DNS traffic, unearthing valuable information that could help prevent a potential cyber attack. Remember the importance of DNS analysis in identifying vulnerabilities before malicious entities do. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal that can potentially safeguard countless systems from threats. It's a critical aspect of ethical hacking, a practice that is becoming increasingly important in our interconnected world. We've also emphasized how practicing with these tools can enhance your skill set. Just like learning a new language, mastering the use of DNS analysis tools requires practice and patience. The more you use these tools, the more familiar you'll become with their nuances, and the more proficient you'll become in identifying and addressing vulnerabilities. This journey into DNS analysis is a reminder of the importance of continuous learning in the field of cybersecurity. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and as ethical hackers, it's our responsibility to stay ahead of the curve and to be prepared for any challenges that may arise. Remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become in using DNS analysis tools. Stay safe and ethical out there. And now, it's time for us to sign off. But before we do, we'd like to remind you, don't forget to subscribe to BP Coding on YouTube and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The links are in the description. This video was brought to you by Bibash Sharma, the Program Director of BP Coding. His dedication to spreading knowledge in the field of cybersecurity is truly inspiring. Until next time.